And there we go. Sorry about the apologies for the slight delay there, folks. Some technical difficulties on my end. However, the next display is going to go on very soon, and we thank Tiger Shark for the incredible display in the Mi-24, performing some maneuvers that we just didn't think were possible in a helicopter. So thank you very much for that. Well, there we go, the next aircraft taking to the skies. The B-1 Lancer is one of the most iconic looking modern bombers in the world. Its variable wing design ensures its combat efficiency and top speed. With a power of 123,000 pounds of thrust, the Lancer demonstration team proudly brings you the B-1 Lancer. The B-1 has a payload of 50,000 pounds. That can carry dumb bombs, guided bombs, air-to-ground missiles and many more ordnance. Now from your left, the B-1 Bombay Pass.
Set you free and brought you to me, babe. What set you free? I need you here by me. Because in the midnight hour, she cried more, more, more. With a rebel yell, she cried more, more, more. Wow, in the midnight hour, babe. More, more, more. With a rebel yell.
As you may assume from the look of the B-1, it's that fast. You assumed correctly. It has a top speed of Mach 1.25. It having 4 F-15 engines makes sure that it can get them out of enemy territory as quickly as possible to complete its mission. Just under the speed of sound, the high-speed pass.
You see us coming and you all together before cover.
The B-1 Lancer can go exceptionally fast, but it can also get to some pretty slow speeds. This manoeuvre will showcase that the bomb bay door open, the gear down, the flaps fully down. And from your left, at under 200 miles per hour, the slow speed dirty pass. The B-1 Lancer may look like a huge strategic bomber, because it is, but that doesn't mean it can't perform like a fighter jet. Bones will now roll the Lancer 360 degrees, showing off maneuverability of this bomber. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the Lancer roll. So ladies and gents, the Lancer is coming out from the left now. Get your photo taking devices ready. It's for the Mac Photo Pass.
Out on the streets, that's where we'll meet. You make the night, I always cross the line. Time our bells, abuse the cells, get in our way. We'll put you on your shelf. Another day, some other way. We're gonna go, but then we'll see you again. I've had enough, we've had enough. Call it vain, she said. I knew right from the beginning that you would end up winning. I knew right from the start you'd put an arrow through my heart. Round and round, we'll love will find a way, just give it time. Round and round, what comes around goes around. I'll tell you why. Dig, looking at you, looking at me, the way you move, you know it's easy to see. The neon lights on me tonight. I've got a way, we're gonna prove it tonight. Like Romeo to Juliet, from time to time, I'm gonna make you mine. I've had enough, we've had enough. It's all the same, she said. I knew right from the
Well, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of the United States Air Force Strategic Air Command, and General Lee Butler, we would like to thank you for watching the raw power of the B-1 Lancer. Although we can't show you everything that makes the Lancer one of the most feared bombers in the skies, we hope that this demonstration has showed you what the basics of this heavy metal beast can actually do. As the aircraft comes overhead and breaks off to perform his landing. This is your final chance to get some photos of this incredibly beautiful aircraft. And please remember, folks, that we're not liable for any fires that may be caused by the damages to the flares landing on in the ground. Thank you, and have a good day.
Out on the streets, that's where we'll meet. You make the night. I always cross the lines. Tighten our belts, abuse the cells. Get in our way, we'll put you on your shelf. Round and round, we'll love, we'll find a way, just give it time. Round and round, what comes around goes around. I'll tell you why. Round and round, we'll love, we'll find a way, just give it time, 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 time. What comes around goes around. I'll tell you why, why, why.
And folks, the B-1 is making its final approach onto the runway now. You can get a photo of the next performance coming up alongside it as well. I'm going to hand the controls back to Hawkbit Alpha. Apologies for getting your name completely. I'm going to hand the controls back to you now. Thank you very much for today's show, and I hope everyone has enjoyed my performance here as well. And I look forward to the next show we all do together. So, until the next time, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, and this is Alpha Star signing off.
Big thank you, Alpha, for presiding over today's events. And let's give a round of applause to Bones and the B-1 Lancer on his debut performance.